Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad. Hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. All right, you guys, so today I have a huge, when I say huge, I literally mean huge, like, yeah, huge Shein haul for you guys. I got this big box full of clothes and some clothes on the top as well. So yeah, I got a fun fall plus size Shein haul for you guys today. So if you guys are interested to see the pieces that I got, then definitely stay tuned. All right, you guys, so if you guys are new here to my channel, I will have all of the sizes, the prices, and pictures of the items here on the screen so you guys will be able to see it. And another thing is my normal size is a 2X, but every time I shop on Shein, I always go up one size. So I go up to a 3X, and if the particular item does not have any stretch, I go up to a 4X. So yeah, just want to get that out there. So yeah, I made 2 orders on Shein. So all the clothing that I'm going to be showing you guys is 2 orders worth of stuff. I did go a little ham, but it's because your girl needed some new fall clothes. Okay, so I ordered a bunch of stuff. So we're actually going to be starting off with the leggings that I have on right now. So these are these cute gray leggings, perfect for lounging around, perfect for running errands, perfect for working out, and I just loved the feathered gray color. So this is what they look like. The band has a whole bunch of writing on it: love, live, all kind of different stuff, and you guys can see a bit of the back in the mirror that's behind me. So yeah, they're super comfortable. I did get these in a 3X, so this is what the back looks like. They fit really well, and yeah, so yeah, these are these leggings, and I just think they're super cute, super easy to lounge around in. I want to get more in other colors because they're just so comfortable and they fit really great, and they're super cute. So yeah, these are these leggings. Okay, so the next item I have is this super cute cheetah print skirt. I absolutely love cheetah print. If y'all know me, y'all know I love my cheetah print. So I had to pick up this skirt. I think it's super fall friendly with a cute pair of like booties or something. So yeah, it has this really cute tall slit here. So you know, you're showing a lot of legs and stuff. You know, you gotta show off the legs. And yeah, it's super cute. It's very high-waisted. It does have a zipper here on the side. So yeah, it is super cute, and I just tucked it into my tank top that I have on, and this would look cute with like a little cardigan or something over it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It is pretty long. It goes all the way down to pretty much my legs, as you guys can see in the mirror behind me. So this is what the side looks like, and this is what the back looks like. It is super comfortable. I love the way that it fits. It is so cute. I cannot wait to style this with like a pair of booties and a cute little, like, this would look cute with like a leather jacket. A black leather jacket would look so cute with this, and your black booties. And yeah, this is so cute. So yeah, this is this skirt. Okay, you guys, so I tried to try on these pants, but they would not fit. They would not go up my thighs. They're pretty much these, I don't even know what you call these pants. Almost like a paper bag, but like not a paper bag pants, because it does have an elastic waist. But it's that, like, what material is this? I don't know what this material is called, you guys. Like a cottony, y'all know what I'm talking about. These pants, they were super cute. I wanted them for lounging around. These cute little like a dark olive green color pants. I got these in a 3XL. Probably should have got this in a 4XL because I mean, the pants itself doesn't stretch, but this elastic part does stretch, but it doesn't stretch enough as this part does, or as big as like the thigh of the pants is. So I just could not get this over my thighs. But this would have been so cute. It would have been a cute fit, but it doesn't fit your girl. So yeah. All right, you guys, so the next thing I have is this cute mesh cardigan that I think is just super cute and easy to throw on with any outfit. So I'm gonna come up closer so you guys can see, but it has this cute like knitted mesh design all over the cardigan. So I just paired it with the tank top and the skirt that I still have on, and I think it is just super cute. It does come with a tie at the top that you can just tie together like so, like this, and it just hangs down, and I just think that this is so cute. Super simple and easy to pair with any fall outfit. You could totally wear this with a tank top or with a long sleeve or short sleeve top, and it'll still flatter it really well. I feel like I could also just tie the bottom of this as well, so I'm gonna try, because I feel like I could just tie it like this, although I'm gonna have the strings, but let's see if I could get away with it. So I would just tie it like that, maybe double tie it into a knot like so, and then it's like a half cardigan, and I think this is super cute as well. So yeah, this is this cardigan. All right, you guys, so here is the next item that I have. It's this cute little black dress, and I feel like every girl needs a little black dress in her closet, and I feel like little black dresses are super cute because they're ready for any season. Like, you can make this fall ready, you can make this summer ready, you can make this fall ready, you can make this winter ready. Like, it just depends on how you style it and what you pair with it. So with this dress, I would definitely pair it with a cute cardigan, or you can do a jeans jacket, or you can do a leather jacket as well. But yeah, I think it is super cute. I really like the way that it fits. I love the length of it. It's not too short. It meets me right at my knee, so it's a very good length. It's not showing too much. This is what the back looks like. So it just has like a scoop back on the dress, and it's black and it's stretchy and it fits really well. So yeah, I really do like this dress. I cannot wait to style this and accessorize and really dress this up and make it very cute for the fall. All right, you guys, so the next thing I have is this super cute dusty pink cardigan. It has 2 pockets on the side, and it is super long. It's like down to my ankles. I absolutely love this cardigan. It is so flowy and super cute, and it has 2 slits on the side. So you see one of the slits are there, and the other slit is over there. Hope you guys can see that in the mirror, but yeah, we have a slit here and a slit here. So yeah, it is super cute. It is down to the floor. I love me a long cardigan, and I feel like this is how you would turn a little black dress into something ready for the fall. Throw on some cute booties with this, a cute pair of boots, or even like a thigh-high boots. That would be a style. Thigh-high boots with this would be so cute. So yeah, you guys, I really love this combo. Oh my god, and it also goes with my headband. Oh, cute. This is super cute, you guys. I absolutely love it, and the cardigan fits really nice. Definitely help to keep you warm in the fall, so you could just wear this on its own on a night that's not too cold, and you're gonna be ready to go. So yeah, this is this cardigan. All right, you guys, so here is the next outfit that I have. It's this super cute 2-piece set. It comes with a cheetah print paper bag pants and the crop top that goes with it. The crop top is a high neck crop top that you pretty much just tie up the neck on one side. So I have a little bow here where I tied up the side. But you guys, I love this outfit. This is super like corporate ready. Like, if you work an office job, girl, like this is gonna turn some heads, okay? This is so cute. I absolutely love the way that this fits. Due to the fact that the pants do not have any stretch, I did get this in a 4X, so I find that the top is a little bit loose because as you can see, it is kind of big on the side, but I really wanted the pants to fit, and the pants fit perfectly. Like if I got this in a 3X, it would have been way too tight around this area, but the 4X fits me perfectly. So just be mindful of that. The pants do not stretch. The waist stretches a little bit, but the pants itself don't stretch. So I would recommend going up 2 sizes like I did. But yeah, you might find that the shirt is a little bit big, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. So this is what the outfit looks like. It is so cute. I love animal print, as you guys know, so I think this fits really, really well. This will look cute with a cute pair of flats or a cute pair of heels. Like, I am feeling this outfit so much. It is totally a vibe. I love it. I love the fact that it fits high-waisted, and it also comes with a little belt that you can tie, so you can definitely tie this off to the side, or you can tie it in the middle. I have it kind of in the middle right now. It's slightly off to the side, but yeah. So here you guys, this is this outfit. All right, you guys, so next up on the list, I have this super cute black skirt that has this super big slit on the side. I love showing off a little leg, like but yeah, you guys, I just paired it with the same top I had on before from the previous outfit. But yeah, I love the way that this skirt fits. It's super fall friendly. Pop on a pair of booties with this, with a long cardigan or a jeans jacket, a leather jacket, and you're good to go. Super cute and comfy. Love it. It is this ribbed material. Not sure if you guys are able to see, but it is a ribbed material, and it does come to a pretty good length, as you guys can see. It's not quite my ankle, it's like to my calf, and the slit comes all the way up the thigh. So yeah, I think this skirt is so cute. I absolutely love it. This is what the back looks like. Very, very nice, and it's not see-through as well, so that's good. So yeah, this is what this skirt looks like. All right, you guys, so next up I have these super cute black jeans that I got from Shein. They're like these ankle pants, and I absolutely love them. I love the length of them. They're not super long, but they're not super short. They're just perfect on the ankle, and I just have it paired with that same crop top that I had on before. So yeah, I really like these pants. They're more of a jeggings material than jeans. I wouldn't say that they're fully jeans. It's more of a jeggings material, but they do have pockets in the front as well as pockets in the back, and I just love the way it fits. I think they are super flattering. Really like the way that they fit, and yeah, super cute. Can easily pair this with any type of top, and yeah, so yeah, these are these jeans. All right, you guys, so next I have these super cute, like super cute plaid pants. They are super stretchy and so comfortable and cute to dress up or dress down. Like, you can definitely wear these to work and dress it up to be super corporate ready, casual ready, but you can also dress it down to be ready to go out for the night. Okay, absolutely love these pants. Of course, I have them paired with the same top. I'm just gonna wear this top and try on all the bottoms, and then we're gonna change it to other outfits. Okay, so y'all just keep watching with me in the same crop top, okay? But yeah, this is how they fit. They fit really great, high-waisted, and they're just so stretchy. I just absolutely love it. They come down to a perfect length. It's literally right on my foot. And yeah, I absolutely love these pants. This is gonna be so cute to dress up with a black pair of boots. I would totally wear a tall pair, like a thigh-high pair of boots with this, with a cute cardigan. Like, this is a look. And to be honest, there's pink in this pants, so it's probably gonna go with that pink cardigan. Let me go get the cardigan. Okay, so here's the pink cardigan I had on before, and I feel like it's gonna go really well with these pants. So let me see. So the pinks aren't the exact same, but I mean, there is pink in the pants. But this, I still feel like this is a cute outfit together. It really brings out the pink that's in the pants. So you guys, tell me this is not a cute fall outfit. Like, yes or nah? Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. All right, you guys, so here is the next pair of pants that I have, and they're too tight, that as you can see, but they're these super cute light wash distressed jeans. They're just slightly too tight, so maybe a girl just needs to lose a little bit of weight, or maybe I should have just went up a size for these pants. But they're so cute. I really wish they fit, and I'm gonna try to fit in them at some point because your girl's trying to start a new weight loss journey anyway, so hopefully I'll be able to fit in them soon. But yeah, they're super cute. This is what the back looks like. They got pockets in the back, and it has a bunch of distressing on the front. But yeah, they are just a tad bit too tight, so just be mindful that they don't have that much stretch, so you might need to go up a size or two. All right, you guys, so here is the next outfit that I have. It's this one-piece jumpsuit set, which is so cute. I absolutely love it. So since this doesn't have any stretch in it, I did get it in a 4X, and I find that the top is a little bit big. It does have a zipper in the back, so the back just zips up, as you guys can see. So I will probably have to pin this if I'm ever wearing it, because it's so loose up here, it kind of just has everything open, and I don't want that. So I'll probably have to just put like a safety pin or something just to keep it closed. But nonetheless, I think this outfit is so cute. It is a very classy, very like, you can dress this up and wear it to like a family function, or you can also make it like fun to go out in. So yeah, absolutely love it. This is what the back looks like. It also comes with a little belt as well, so of course you can tie it off to the side or however you want. The pants stop right at my foot, so they're not dragging on the floor or anything, so I absolutely love that. So yeah, you guys, this is this top. I wish I could have gotten this in a 3X because I feel like it would have fit me a lot better, but I did have to go up a size because it doesn't have stretch, so I did get this in a 4X instead of a 3X. And like I mentioned at the beginning, my normal size is a 2X. So yeah, so anyways, other than that, I absolutely love this print, and I think that the way that they constructed this gives it a really flattering look on the body, definitely accentuates my curves, and I absolutely love it. And this will be super cute with like a pair of heels to dress it up. And yeah, so I really like this outfit. All right, you guys, so here is the next outfit. It is these two-piece set that comes with a crop top and a paper bag pants that's in this cute like animal print, white, blue, orange animal print that I think is so cute. Absolutely love this outfit. I'm somebody who never wears white. I hate wearing white because I feel like I will get it dirty, because I'm just a bit of a messy person like that, especially when I'm wearing makeup. But I wanted to try out something in white, and then I'm like, okay, this will be perfect because it has the print on the bottom that I really like. And I'm not mad about the crop top. I do wish it had a little bit more fabric. Like I wish it came down to maybe like here. I do feel like it's a little bit on the shorter side, but nonetheless I still think it's cute. And the pants does come with a little belt, so you can tie it however you see fit. This is what the back of the pants looks like. It does come with a zipper in the back, so I just have that zipped up. And yeah, I feel like it is super cute. Definitely can pair this with a black cardigan and a cute pair of shoes, and you're good to go. So yeah, this is this outfit. Okay, so next up I have this cute two-piece lounge set. It's this black ribbed crop top and legging set that is super comfortable and super great for lounging around the house. I absolutely love the leggings. It comes with a little faux tie up here, so tying it does not make it any more stretchy or any more tighter, I should say. It's just there for looks. And it comes with the crop top. I will say the crop top is a little bit tight and it's a little bit short. I feel like I'm not fully covered as much as I would want to be covered, so I do have some tummy showing, which is fine, but in the back I feel like my rolls and stuff are going to be out, which I don't really like, but nonetheless it's still cute for wearing around the house. It's very comfortable and I love outfits and stuff like this. So yeah, the pants are a bit see-through. You guys probably saw that when I turned around it is see-through, so be mindful of what you're wearing underneath it. But nonetheless, it's a cute little outfit. This did come in different colors, so I would love to try to get this in different colors, and I'd probably go up a size just so the crop top will fit a little bit more comfortably, and hopefully if I get a bigger size it won't be as see-through when I wear the pants. So just be mindful of that. It is a little bit on the closer side, so you may need to go up 2 sizes, but I still think it's super cute and super fun to lounge in. All right, you guys, so next I have this super cute butterfly print top. I love shirts like this, you guys. Like, these are like one of my favorite type of shirts because they're so flattering. You don't have to worry about your belly hanging out, or if you're self-conscious about your arms, you don't have to worry about your arms showing or anything. Like, I just love these type of tops. They're flattering for everybody. So I got it in this blue color, and it has butterfly print all over it. It is super cute. The back is longer than the front, so it has a bit of this asymmetrical look, and I have it paired with those leggings from the 2-piece set I had on prior. But yeah, I just absolutely love this. It's flowy, it's airy, it's perfect for the summer, and can easily be transitioned into fall. You can, you know, throw on a cardigan or a jeans jacket with this so you stay warm, so it's perfect for that. And yeah, I absolutely just love this top. It is super cute and very comfortable. So yeah, that is this. Okay, so next up I have this really cute blue top, keeping with the blues going on here. And I just love the sleeve detailing on this shirt. I just love the way that it fits. I didn't think it would fit like this, but I really do like the way it fits. I love the fact that this part is tight. It'll be perfect for tucking into pants, high-waisted skirts and stuff like that, so you won't get all of the extra fabric kind of bunching up underneath it. So I absolutely love that, and I just love the style of the top, and I love the sleeves. I think it is so cute. I'm gonna come up a little bit closer so you guys can see, but it's really pretty. And this is what the back looks like, and I absolutely just love it, you guys. Like, this is gonna look so cute with a high-waisted pants or a skirt, and it's super cute for the fall. So yeah, that is this. All right, you guys, so here I have another top that is very similar to the one I had on prior with the mesh sleeves. I absolutely love this one. It is super cute. Again, this part is nice and snug so that it can easily be tucked into a high-waisted pants or a high-waisted skirt. I love the detail of the sleeves. I love the fact that this part is tight and the mesh part is loose. It is super cute. I love the grid detailing that is on the sleeves. And all around, this is just a super cute top. This is what the back looks like, and I'm in love. Like, this is going to look so cute with a cute pair of pants. Like, this is super cute. This can obviously be dressed up or dressed down. This is great for any type of holiday event, but this is also really good for work and good if you're just going out to dinner with like your boo or whatever. So yeah, I absolutely love this shirt. So next up, I have this super cute snakeskin skirt. It is very stretchy and very comfortable on the body. I have it paired with the same black top I had on before, and I think they actually pair together pretty nicely with a cute pair of black boots. And this is a look, baby girl. So yeah, I absolutely love the way that this skirt fits. It's very comfortable. It's very stretchy, and low-key, I probably could have just gotten this skirt in a 2X because it's very stretchy, and I wouldn't mind if it actually fit me a little bit tighter. So yeah, you guys can keep that in mind. You can actually just go down a size or just get your normal size. So I could have got this in a 2X, but nonetheless, I still love the way that the skirt fits. It's super comfortable, and yeah, I really like it. It doesn't have any slits or anything. Oh, it does. It has a slit in the back. Can you guys see that? We got a slit in the back there. Thought it didn't have any slits. I was wrong. So it does come with that slit in the back to give it a little extra cute touch. And yeah, so yeah, this is the skirt. All right, you guys, so next up I have these super cute paper bag pants. I absolutely love it, you guys. I feel like I'm going to a business meeting, okay? Like, I feel like I'm at work and you cannot waste my time because your girl is busy, okay? Booked and busy. I absolutely love these pants. I love where they fall. I love that they're not all the way down and not necessarily too short. It's like literally right at my ankle. So it is super cute. and I look so like professional. Like, if it wasn't for this pandemic and I was going to work, I would have been going to work looking so cute. But your girl's been working from home, so where am I gonna wear all these cute business outfits to? Love this, and it pairs so well with this black top that I had on from before. And yeah, the pants does come with a little belt that you can tie, so of course you can tie it off to the side, tie it to the front, or whatever. But yeah, this is super cute. I wish the pants had pockets. That would have just brought this up another 2 notches, but nonetheless, I really do love these pants, and this will look so cute with a pair of heels. So yeah, this is what the back looks like. Very flattering, looks lovely on the bootay. So yeah, you guys, this is this pants. Okay, so next up I have this pant. This is actually supposed to be a 2-piece set, but I don't know what I did with the top because I actually wore this outfit already and I cannot find the top. So you guys will see the top on the screen. What it comes with is just like a regular like short sleeve top. Super cute, by the way. Love the top, but I can't find it, so sorry y'all. So I just paired it with the blank tank top that I had on prior. So yeah, I absolutely love these pants, you guys. It's a paper bag pants. I got quite a few paper bag pants this haul because I've never had them before, and I just think they're super cute for the fall anyways, and perfect for work, for whenever I end up going back to work, if I end up going back to work. So yeah, I really love these pants. They're just black and white stripes. Comes with a little belt detail as well. This is what the back looks like, and I did get this one in a 4X because these do not stretch, so of course I had to go up 2 sizes to ensure that it fits your girl. So yeah, this is what these pants look like. And you guys, we are down to the last outfit. If you guys made it this far into the video, shout out to y'all. Comment down below if y'all made it to the end, because we are about to try on our last outfit. Okay, okay, you guys, we made it to our last outfit, our final outfit, and it's this super cute 2-piece set. Again, this haul had a lot of really cute 2-piece sets, but yeah, it's this super cute burnt yellow pants, paper bag pants with a tank top. Love the detailing of the tank top. It has these buttons here. They're just buttons, they don't operate, they're non-functioning buttons, and I just love the color of these pants. To me, this outfit screams fall. Like, this is what fall fashion is. Cute cardigan, cute pair of shoes, and you are good to go. So yes, and the pants comes with a cute little belt as well for you to tie up. So this is what it looks like from the back. Love the way that the pants fit. They are right above my foot, so you know you'll be able to show off any cute shoes that you have, whether they are flats or sandals or a cute pair of boots. So yeah, absolutely love this outfit. So that is it for my huge fall plus size Shein haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys stayed to the end of the video, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what your favorite outfit is. Be sure to comment that down below. My favorite outfit, ooh, I had a lot of favorites, you guys. I had a lot of favorites. To be honest, I really loved those pink like plaid pants. Loved that, and I really liked that cheetah print skirt as well, and I loved every single one of the 2-piece sets with the pants and the top. I practically loved everything, you guys. I loved everything, but be sure to comment down below and let me know what your favorite outfit was. And if you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to subscribe because we do a lot more plus size try on hauls, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle type of videos here. So if you guys are interested, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.